Hello everyone, you are very welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we'll look at the phrasal verb hold up and show you a number of its different meanings. The phrasal verb hold up can mean to lift something up high in order to make it clearly visible. After he won the tournament, he brought the cup everywhere with him. I've worked so hard to get here. I want to hold it up so high that everyone can see. The little girl knew the answer to the teacher's question. If I hold my hand up the highest, I get picked to give my answer. Another meaning for hold up is continue to succeed, be healthy, or function well in a difficult situation. After the injury, everybody was certain the sportsperson wouldn't be able to carry on. I'm not sure the ankle will hold up now. This could be the end. The shop manager was happy with how the business had profited over the years. My prices had held up very well until a change in the economic climate. Another meaning for hold up is to delay something or someone for a short period of time. There was a car crash on the motorway which stopped the woman from getting to work early. Sorry, I'm going to be late this morning. I got held up by traffic on the motorway. The man had dinner plans with his wife, but couldn't make it. I'm sorry, honey. I've been held up at work again. Another meaning for hold up is to prevent someone or something from falling down. The old man uses a walking stick to help him walk. The stick helps to hold me up in case I fall and really hurt myself. After the marathon, the woman had to sit down as she was so tired. My legs are so weak right now, they can't even hold me up. Another meaning for hold up is to use or present someone or something as an example. The father has always been very proud of his son. I hold him up as a perfect example of success. I'm so proud of him. The media reported on some ridiculous statements made by the politician recently. Your recent comments have been held up to ridicule. Have you a comment for that? Another meaning for hold up is to steal something by threat of violence. A criminal was on the loose and causing mayhem in the city. He held up a bystander on the street with a weapon. The gang had threatened to steal money from the bank. They held up the bank for 15 minutes. Taking off with the cash. So, let's recap. Hold up can mean to hold something up high in order to make it clearly visible. The policeman held up the stop sign when the traffic lights were down. Hold up can also mean continue to succeed, be healthy, or function well in a difficult situation. I heard you were sick last week. How are you holding up now? Hold up can also mean to delay something or someone for a short period of time. I've been held up all day and I couldn't complete my work. Hold up can also mean to prevent someone or something from falling down. I held up the ladder while my dad painted the ceiling. Hold up can also mean to use or present someone or something as an example. My parents hold me up in high regard because I started my own business. Hold up can also mean to steal something by threat of violence, and it can also be a noun. There is a post office hold up in progress in the city. Where did you hear the phrasal verb hold up? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English phrasal verbs you can use in social situations and in the workplace.